As humans, we all crave for love, affection, and appreciation in our relationship. One of the most common ways to express these feelings is by saying, I love you. But don't you think we overuse it? It can be refreshing to switch things up and use alternative phrases to express love. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are having a great day. So, today I'm going to teach you some creative and unique phrases to replace I love you. First phrase is I cherish you. This is a gentle and tender way of expressing your love, and it conveys the message that you hold your loved one in high regard. Next phrase is you light up my life. This phrase shows how your loved one brings joy into your life and how they are a source of light into your world. Next phrase is you mean the world to me. This conveys deep affection for the person you love and how they are center of your universe. You are my better half. This refers to spouse. It means husband and wife both can use this phrase for each other. This phrase conveys a sense of companionship. It lets the person know that you value them as your equal and your best friend, and that you feel like you complete each other. Next phrase is, I can't imagine my life without you. Next phrase is, I'm so grateful to have you in my life. Next phrase is, you are my soulmate. Who is soulmate? Soulmate is a person who completely understands you and who has same beliefs and opinions. A person who is perfectly suited to other person in temperament. Next phrase is, I love you to the moon and back again. It's one of the most heartwarming things you can say to your significant other. It's a figure of speech. Going to the moon and coming back to the earth, it takes a lot of distance. So basically, it's an equivalent to lots of love. Next phrase is, I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Another phrase is, I adore you. Next is, you mean so much to me. Next is, you are a beautiful person inside and out. Next is, we fit together like puzzle pieces. Next is, I would do anything to make you smile. Next phrase is, my dream is to be with you forever. Next phrase is, you make my life better by just being in it. Next is, I'm so grateful for your compassion. Next is, I'm completely smitten with you. Another one is, I'm so grateful for your support and care. Next is, you bring joy and happiness to my life. Next is, I'm thankful for your presence in my life. Next is, you make every day brighter by just being in it. Next is, since you have been around, I smile a lot more than I used to. Next is, you are the best thing that has ever happened to me. Next is, you light up my world. Next is, my heart calls out for you. Next phrase is, I hope you know how much you mean to me. Another one is, I'm blessed to have you as my partner. Next is, you are my addiction. Next is, you are the most amazing person I have ever known. Next phrase is, you matter so much to me. Another one is, I'm better because of you. This phrase lets the person know that they have had a positive impact on your life and you are a better person because of them. Showing love is an integral part of any healthy relationship, And using different phrases to say I love you can bring refreshing change, and it will bring more depth and variety to your interaction. No matter which phrase you choose, the most important thing is your feelings should be authentic and from your heart. I would suggest you to use these alternate phrases. But it doesn't matter whether you choose one of these phrases or you come up with your own unique way of expressing love. The key is to let the person know how much they mean to you. I have created a complete playlist of videos featuring replacement of overused expressions and using alternate phrases. Do check it out in my playlist. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like, subscribe and share.